Hey guys, it's Zoe from the Ms. and Zoe Show. Mirah's just gone to grab a packet of chips and I've planned something out for us. So, you've probably heard of this thing, relaxing car drive, where the car's driving and then this big thing jumps out and it's like really scary. Well, Mirah's never seen it before.
So, where's the chips?
In the back cupboard. So I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna tell her it's like something like funny or whatever. She's gonna come and watch it and she's gonna get really scared and it's gonna be funny. I know Mirah and she's gonna freak out. So yeah. So anyway, it's been a great week. Hey Mirah! Come here.
What?
You should watch this video.
I hate you. You suck.
When we ride, it's till the day that we die.